Black's objective here is to make a living shape. This is one of those problems that just seem hopeless at the beginning, because as we know, this shape right here is just not enough eye space to make a living shape. So that means Black must capitalize on White's potential weakness on the outside. But if you look at White, there's really no weakness, right? White is not really short on liberties, right? Cutting here doesn't work. And of course, there's nothing here to play, right? Just nothing. But it doesn't hurt to try, right? In this type of situation, we're doing this exercise, just try some of the moves and see what happens, right? If you try this, now I think the question becomes if Black gets to play here number 5. So the liberty here is a little bit tighter. Can Black make something happen with his cut, right? And the answer here is no, right? This sequence doesn't really work. What about this? This also doesn't really work. It's very similar. But if you think about some of the other problems, especially in 170s, right? Just the problems before this is about capturing White when there are like 3 white stones here on the first line. And Black can actually achieve that by playing here number 1. And White must come in, and this way we have 3 white stones. And now the problem becomes how to capture them, right? If you cut here, now this seems more promising, right? Of course, White cannot play here, number 10. Number 10 has to be here. What if Black escapes here? What happens now is that White can only Atari here on the second line. Otherwise, Black will be able to capture White this way. And Black will keep escaping, and White will play here. Now, actually, seems like Black can succeed, because White will have to connect here. What happens now is that Black will only have to throw in here, White captures, and after number 19, White cannot connect here, right? Because Black will be able to play here number 21 to just capture all of these white stones. So White is actually very short on liberties here. So that is why after this exchange, it doesn't seem very likely, but it actually works, right? Number 9 here, these are all forcing. Again, White cannot really connect here, right? This will be 4 liberties versus 3. So White will have to keep crawling, because Black can get to play here number 15, threatening this snapback. White has to connect here, and this frees up these liberties for Black. And Black will be able to live this way. So this is the correct sequence, actually. Seems very unlikely, but it actually works. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.